Hello, today me, Darika Isakova, will present you the latest Forex news on InstaForex TV. Recently, the US dollar has been demonstrating a weakness, but the Canadian currency appeared to be weaker, and from the look of it, the situation is unlikely to change. The Canadian dollar advancement was much more restricted, in contrast to other commodity currencies such as the Australian dollar, which gains with the global economy upsweep as well as with the national economy recovery. Instead of moving upwards amid a record price upturn for gold and oil, the Canada's currency stuck in a narrow range, so as a result the US dollar-Canadian dollar pair was trading around 1.04 to 1.07 during the last month. Even favorable Canadian data published recently, including the Purchasing Managers' Index uptick, the growth of retail sales and number of working places, did not manage to give a substantial force to the loonie. So what happened with the Canadian currency and how long will it demonstrate a low performance? In particular, its decline can be explained by the problem always faced by Canada. It is a tight connection with the American economy. While the revival in the USA is sluggish, the same will be in Canada, and this guarantees that the Bank of Canada as well as the Federal Reserve System of the USA will not hurry to boost the key interest rate. Let us compare it with the developments in Australia seen during the last few months. Australia's dependence on economic restoration of China and other Asian countries means that its own recovery is strong enough to remove emergency programs against the credit crisis. Generally speaking, we can say that Australia has avoided the recession at all. In the previous week, the Reserve Bank of Australia raised the interest rates for the third time, and in the next year a further escalation is quite possible, as the country is going to prevent from the inflationary pressure stiffening. By contrast, Canada still bewares of deflation and tries to hold the rates low, as the Canadian currency rate. The Bank of Canada head Mark Carney warned that a strong loonie would provide the inflation drop below the target level of 1%. So due to that, Canada is likely to keep the interest rates at low levels till the middle of the next year, and its economy is not expected to demonstrate a confident jack-up. Rather than in the United States, any chances of the Canadian currency to jump upwards are improbable. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Darika Isakova. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.